Mudslide. This is John's idea of fun. He's going to take Abby down into the mudslide. And end up in there. Should be entertaining. On your marks. Get set. Go!
What? Go get it. We'll go get it again. You want to go again? That's a super fun.
Take two. She's actually doing it. All that talking. Back up. Try again.
Keep the mouth closed at the bottom. Close the mouth.
Abby,
Look at Mama.
look at Mummy. What a brave girl. Is it a bit
Fantastic.
cold?
Yeah.
Oh, it's all right. Should we go and have an SWIM now?
I want to go have a warm shower.
What about a swim in the swimming pool?
Yeah,
Yeah?
so that will be warm.
Or you go, Daddy, go get the soap one more time and go down on his own, hey?
Yeah.
Unless you want to come. You had enough?
Like
Don't
this.
put that in your mouth.
And
Yeah.
Jono on his own. Oh, did you get it right?
Let's go have a warm shower. Go have a warm
Swim.
swim, Dad.